The Majestic Journey of the Monarch Butterfly. Grab your own copy of the activity book from the link in the description below. Have you ever pondered over the life cycle of a monarch butterfly? Well, it's a fascinating journey filled with transformation and wonder that takes place over the course of 4 distinct stages. Our journey begins with a tiny spherical object, no larger than the head of a pin. This is the egg, and it is the first stage in the life cycle of a monarch butterfly. The female butterfly, with precision and care, deposits her eggs on the underside of milkweed plant leaves. This location isn't chosen at random. Oh no, it's a deliberate choice. The milkweed plant will serve as a food source for the next stage of the butterfly's life. After about 4 days, the egg hatches and a tiny caterpillar, or larva, emerges. Now this little creature has an insatiable appetite. It spends most of its time eating the milkweed leaves, growing and shedding its skin, a process known as molting. Once the caterpillar has reached its full size, it enters the 3rd stage of the life cycle, the pupa or chrysalis stage. The caterpillar finds a safe spot, often on the underside of a leaf or branch, and begins to spin a protective casing around itself. Inside this chrysalis, an awe-inspiring transformation occurs. The caterpillar's old body parts undergo a remarkable change, a process called metamorphosis, turning into the components of an adult butterfly. After about 2 weeks, the final stage of the life cycle occurs. The adult monarch butterfly emerges from the chrysalis, its bright orange and black wings crumpled and wet. As the butterfly hangs upside down, it pumps fluids into its wings, causing them to expand and dry. Once its wings are dry, the butterfly is ready to take flight, start the cycle anew, and lay eggs of its own. To summarize, the life cycle of a monarch butterfly begins with an egg, laid on a milkweed plant by a female butterfly. This egg hatches into a caterpillar that feeds on the milkweed leaves. Once the caterpillar has grown enough, it forms a chrysalis around itself, within which it transforms into an adult butterfly. After emerging from the chrysalis and drying its wings, the butterfly is ready to fly and lay eggs, continuing the cycle of life. So the next time you see a monarch butterfly, remember the incredible journey it's been on, from a tiny egg to a beautiful, fluttering creature. It's a testament to the power of transformation and the wonder of nature. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and hit that notification bell for more inspiring content. Thank you for watching.